Yep, there's a turret right there. Hello, Flames. Hello, guys. The Great Molten here, and we are gonna jump into some Half Dead with Halo Boy 2010. So let's go, guys. Oh, and Half Dead just got a update to where you can go to the workshop and add your own things in, and just basically everybody can add their own ideas to Half Dead, which is freaking great. Have you created the lobby?
My name.
Okay, we are gonna go to multiplayer. Come on. Here we go. Edit. There we go. Got it.
There we go. Let me start.
Let's go. Alrighty.
I want to sit down my laptop, but I can't.
I'm sorry.
Because it'll overheat on my...
Oh my gosh. There we go. Oh, did I just throw both of my shoes?
I'm already going through
Ah, here we go. Hello.
Oh, my shoe.
Okay, let's see if I remember how to run. There we go.
Wait, there's running involved now?
Yeah, you can run. Oh, let's see what we got in here. I don't like the look of this one.
Shoe.
I think I just...
It's a black hole. It's a black hole.
What? I want to see this. Must be in the update. Oh, that's cool. Let's see.
Dude, I want to play you
Oh!
sandbox.
That was cool.
Are you being pulled in?
No, I just threw my shoe.
Oh, I forgot if you hold on A, you sprint.
Mm-hmm. Let's get back at what? 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 What?
I did it with one shoe too.
You look so gay.
That guy's hair actually kind of looked like my hair used to. It isn't.
Next one.
So I win.
I love how our scores are still changing.
Wait, why? Why is this not doing anything?
Restart.
That was a very fast one.
That's what C said.
When I play this, I always go on the outside edge and then start working in.
I don't think you heard what I said.
I lost my shoe.
I just lost a shoe on the
Look.
first freaking time.
Look, it's the deadly one. It's the.
Hey, yeah, mine was the deadly one too. What in the world?
You can throw your shoe.
I just did. I already lost one of mine. I hope you're happy.
I hope that it's not a death room. Hey, I found one of the guys.
Cool.
Is that a safe room?
I don't know.
No, it's definitely not a safe room.
Chainsaw guy?
No, it was water acid thing.
I don't like
What?
this
I
guy.
can get my shoe back.
Let's see, what happens if I throw my shoe at him? Oh! He ate my shoe!
They came here. What?
He ate my
One of the
shoe.
clones ate your shoe?
No, one of the, skeleton things.
A Reaper ate your shoe?
Yep. Ah, it's another one! What in the world? See if I can run past him. Oh, nuts. Well, I can't do that. You're on your own, sir. Uh-oh, I hear something. What the heck?
What the?
What was that? What was that?
That was my shoe?
I think you did.
My shoe's fine. And
What
I got another shoe.
That's my shoe. Can you pick up the shoe?
You're supposed to.
Ah, well, it looks like you're having a lot of trouble
It's
picking it up.
green. I'm supposed to be able to pick it up.
There
Oh,
you
I
go.
got it.
You got it.
Do you know how big my feet are?
Yes, it's very hard for you to. Oh shoot! Hey, wow, you got lucky with that. Look at that.
For the people that don't understand, I wear size 15 to 14 shoe. By the time I get to any shoe store, they're already sold out of all my shoes.
Well,
So I have to buy them in bulk just to wear them.
come on,
By the
man.
time-
Come on, man. Find the exit.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
I believe in you.
Is that a save room or not? It's not triggering.
It is. It's fine. Nope. I hear something. Chainsaw guy.
Chainsaw guy. Hi, chainsaw buddy. Are you
Run.
gonna destroy my shoe?
Run. Run and grab it.
Disappear. He's gonna disappear.
Open the door.
He took my shoe.
I don't think he did.
He took my shoe.
Uh-huh.
If you rewatch the episode, you're gonna see he had no shoes on, then somehow magically he got 2 shoes on. Just run in there. Oh, thank God. Just running. And run
What
out.
was that? I heard something.
I just got an achievement. Oh, that was just a bunch of acid. I just got an achievement finding 50 traps.
Nice. It's fine. Nope.
Oh. I hear something. I wonder what it is. Open the door. Whatever it was, it's gone now.
Mm-hmm.
I set this on medium difficulty also, by the way.
I was wondering why there were the different traps. And so many of them. I thought it was on easy.
I set this on medium. My turning is so slow because my...
Right, back up. No, right, move. Sir.
That's at a safe room. That's not safe.
Now it is.
I made it through just in time.
Bro,
You're getting kind of bored watching me.
you need to find the exit. Oh, that's not a safe room.
Oh, there's a trap in there. Oh. Please tell me there's a soundboard. What are you doing farting in the mic like that? I never should have shown you that soundboard.
I don't know what you're talking about.
My foot's falling asleep.
Your foot's falling asleep. Well, maybe you should wake it up.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Well, Micah, I'd like to say... you.
Hey, babe, please let me put it down. I made it longer than you did.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
I'm gonna hit you. Alright, swear. I'm
No,
gonna
you're
hit
not. You wanna know why?
you. I'm gonna use you as bait to fish.
Why? No, you can't do that. Why?
Because we're country bumped to death now.
But
Hey, you got red hairs.
why would you use me as fish bait? Why?
Because I'm not gonna say that joke.
Why?
So yeah, onto my topic of me losing my job because I'm not. God no.
Did you
So
just?
I lost my job because I'm not fast enough for fast food. Apparently.
Did you just get killed?
Yeah, I'm about to.
I'll save you. Let me save you. No.
What
Oh.
just happened?
I
What just happened?
I was too late. Oh
I
well.
will leave the call.
No. Well, I hope I find the door. I don't trust it. Maybe I should trust it. Ah!
Kill him.
Boy.
Kill him, Chainsaw Boy. Chainsaw Boy. Murder. Mr. Murderizing. Mr. Murderizing.
I made it.
No, Mr. Chainsaw, you can do it.
Mr. Chainsaw's scary.
Mr. Chainsaw's looking for you, Mr. Policeman.
What the?
Mr. Policeman.
What is that?
Chainsaw's looking for you. Those who do not understand the joke, we were playing Evil Dead, and in the opening part, we couldn't figure out how to open a door, so we were stuck on the opening part of the game.
Pretty much.
You would say about 30 minutes, right?
Yeah, 30 minutes, give or take.
So, while we were trying to figure out and mercilessly getting cut in half by the chainsaw guy, I started doing my Herbert the Pervert impression, and you're like, Mr. Chainsaw Man's coming after you, Mr. Policeman. And I know it probably sounds really bad over mic.
What?
So the whole entire joke was like, the whole entire thing, every single time that someone with a chainsaw would pop up, I was like, Mr. Chainsaw's coming for you, Mr. Policeman. And I was having Herbert being Mr. Chainsaw Man. You're talking about how Mr. Policeman sent me here because I stalked Quiz. So, I know this voice probably sounds really bad over the mic. But won't you hear me say it?
Cool story, bro.
What?
This is not predicted murder, this is a promise.
What? Why can't we just be friends?
I found your clone over here.
Oh, you found my clone.
Yeah. Or
thought-
it's probably Chumbucket's friend.
I would say it's Chumbucket's friend.
Chumbucket. I'm still mad that you killed him.
Well, it was kind of inevitable.
But everyone loves Chumbucket. Why would you do that to Chumbucket?
He needed. See, look at this thing. Look at this thing. Come back here. Look.
Hello there, Mr. Reaper. How are you doing today?
Oh no! Go on without
So
me.
you're after my friend, huh?
Go on without me.
What's wrong with that?
Ouch.
Run.
I freaking hate me. I'm the mom. You should really stop smoking that incense. If
What are
you're
you
gonna-
gay? Ain't going in, it's only mine.
He just said, why so serious? Did you hear that? Not so serious, Mr. Policeman. I think that should be it for the day.
Yeah, I think so too.
I hope everyone has a good rest of the night. And this is fun doing this, able to do my voices and having fun.
Well, guys, that will be it for this episode of Half Dead. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.